Today we're in Conneaut, Ohio, and we're waiting on the Canadian National Southbound ore train to leave Conneaut.
Oh yeah? That old Bessemer tower on those engines, like the old orange, but there's only a couple down at the end. I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. It was nice talking to you. Yes, sir.
Our next shot is right across the border with Pennsylvania, right outside of Conneaut. For our next shot, we're in Albion, Pennsylvania, where our train had to diverge off the main and head into the siding, aka the old yard here in Albion. Albion is the top of the grade here on the Bessemer, and everything is mostly downhill from here. After our train gets track authority, he's all set to go back onto the main. Two DPUs would be on the end of today's train, and you can hear them shove up the hill. Since traffic gets held up in Albion after the train goes by, it takes a little bit of catching up before we meet the train at our next location. Today, the ore train was not slowing down for anything, and I was surprised how fast he was moving once he got to our next shot. Our last shot of the train today is at CP Osgood, where he pulls in for a crew change. He didn't expect the crew change to be so short, so while we were running around in Grieville, the train left us wondering where he went. Well, by the time we would catch up with him, it would be too late.
108804 South, approach, Patton's out. CM detector, mile 97.1. Southbound, no defects. Temperature 95F. Total axles 424. Speed 36. Detector out.
The usual power on the Bessemer sub is two SD70M-2s up front, usually two DPUs on the rear, or one DPU on the rear and one in the middle. SD70M-2 8804 has a special sticker on the door. I've never seen 8804 not lead a Bessemer sub or train, but with the cool Bessemer sticker on the door, it's always nice to see it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and have a good one.